this your stuff? These are sunflowers. They're called that because they've always faced towards the sun. That's how I want to be like. Someone who always sees the bright side of things. Ah, Basil, you're so... naive. I'm kidding. Nice. These flowers are called Lily of the Valley. It's said that they were able to ward off evil spirits to help people see a brighter future. Guess that's why they always remind me of Mari. I can always count on her to help me stay positive. Oh, that's sweet. Sup? Whoa. What's that ugly plant creature? Don't you know, Cal? That's a sprout mole. Sprout moles are highly intelligent creatures, but become dangerously vicious when they're lost. Please, Mr. Sprout Mole, stop that. You're stomping all over the flowers. Ah! It looks like the sprout mole is angry. Since the sprout mole is angry, its attack will be fire. But on the other hand, it lowers its defense. What you're saying is now's the perfect time to strike. Come on, OMORI. Let's do this. Yeah, we're gonna fuck this mole up. We got this, guys. Ouch. Yay, we did it. You got 3 clams. 3 whole fucking clams. And I found tofu! Hell yeah. Most of the flowers are unharmed. That's a relief. Hey, OMORI, now that we're getting the hang of battling, are we? I don't know. Here's a journal we can keep track of any neat foes we come across. Hell yeah. Ooh, check it out through your pocket in the player menu by pressing X. Promise? Alright, what are these? These are roses. Can you guess what they remind me of? They remind me of Hero. Did you guess correctly? No. Roses come in many different colors and have their own unique meanings. Pink roses symbolize admiration, orange roses symbolize passion, yellow roses symbolize friendship, and the list goes on. Hero doesn't remind me of any rose in particular. I think Hero is like all roses because he's versatile and universally loved. That's sweet. Roses, yes. Ah! These are the type of flower called the gladioluses. The gladiolus? The gladiolus, also known as the sword flower. As you might guess, they represent strength of a character, someone who's honest and strong moral values, someone who stands by their convictions. The gladius reminds me of Aubrey because she's always true to herself. Oh, I see. That's what you're saying is Aubrey is really stubborn? Hey, no I'm not! Ha! I hit a button. Alright, let's move on. Oh no, not again. Please, Mr. Sprout Mole, stop twirling. You're destroying all the flowers. Fight! Oh, I see. The Sprout Mole is happy. In that case, it has a higher chance to hit our weak spots and do more damage. That also means it has a higher chance of missing. What if I make you sad instead? Get the juice. It's losing juice. Tap. Yes. That should be fine, right? Yes. I don't know what the juice is doing, but I'm glad I'm getting it. 14 XP and got 2 clams. Okay. We seem to be running across a lot of foes with emotion. In case you didn't know, emotions can determine how strong or weak an attack is. Happy beats angry. Angry beats sad. And sad beats happy. Here, I even drew up a guide on how they work. I'm no artist, but I think you'll get the point. Put it in your pocket so you can check it out later. Yeah, an emotion chart. Happiness makes luck go up. Okay. I'm sure I'll understand a lot of this as I go on more. Whoa, what are these flowers called? They're all cool and spiky. Actually, Kel, this is a cactus. It's more of a plant than a flower. It's kind of funny you ask, because they remind me of you. Is it because he's a prick? Hey, well, that too, but mostly because cacti are very sturdy and resilient plants by nature. They don't need much care and can survive in even seemingly impossible conditions. I guess what I'm saying is that even if you could take care of a cactus, even you could take care of a cactus, Cal. Whoa, neat. Cacti are awesome. Being angry will make attacks go up, but your defenses will go down. Oh, I remember this. Good times. Well, yeah, it's been lovely so far. Oh no, not another sprout mole. It's all good, Basil. We got the hang of this by now. We though. Just gonna start a battle. This sprout mole seems a bit sad. Yeah, it's curled up in a fetal position. That means it won't do as much damage as normal. It'll also lessen damage to the heart, and we'll lose juice instead. How sad. Let's put it out of its misery. Alright, sorry, dude. Well, how about... I don't have any toys. Attack? Oh, you're gonna pep talk the guy. That way, the defense will go down. Good times, not me and mine died. Oh no, the cacti. Oh yeah, no, I've killed cacti before. It's almost, it's like borderline embarrassing, you know? Alright. Pep talk. You can do it. He's happy now. But you're gonna take more damage, buddy. Alright. Attack. I believe in you all. Don't crash. Do not crash. Yay, we won. Got 4 clams. And level 2, level 2, level 2. And learned message. Massage? Message. Massage. Alrighty, let's see here. I would love another save point. Oh, thank God. I'm so excited, my favorite part is coming up. Should I be dreading that? Hi everyone, you came just in time for a lovely picnic. Feel free to rest here. Everything is already set up, I even brought some fruit. Thank God. Yes, I will be saving. Like to save? Yes. Thank God. Okay. Your emotions can also go beyond sad, angry, or happy. Okay. Oh, look at us. We're great. Alright, and let's see here. Yes, we would like to eat some fruit. Thank you. You can also get depressed, enraged, and ecstatic. Damn. You can get emotions too. Munch, 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 munch. Woohoo! Thanks, Mari. You're the best. Oh, it's nothing. I'm just trying to look out for all of you. Oh, Mari, I wish I could be more like you. You always seem to have everything under control. That's not true at all. It just seems that way from the outside. Either way, you sure seem to make everything look easy. Yeah, I agree. Mari is so effortlessly graceful. Alright, and OMORI can have a 3rd tier of emotions. That's terrifying. Emotions part 3, baby. Don't you think so, OMORI? Yeah, you're solid. You're my save point. I appreciate you. Oh, I guess I have to believe a little bit if you all think so. My house is right down this way. Are we all ready to go? I'm ready when you are. We'll catch you later, Mari. Let me know if you need anything. See you soon. She is such a good sister. Yeah, she's lovely. They are lovely. We're all friends and we all like each other. It's great. Hardly ever see that stuff. Thunk, thunk, thunk. The hell was that? Oh, it's the master beat. The old man beetroot. What will OMORI and friends do? Fight. I'm gonna make you sad. And I'm gonna make Yield Sprout sad. You're gonna make a pep talk you. You're gonna attack, and you're also going to attack. 5 damage to Juice. You can do it! Hero's happy now. Oh, jeez. We got hit. Alright, attack. Lost Juice. 4 damage, lost 1 juice. 10 damage, lost 4 juice. Almost every except 1. Lost 1 juice. Rolls over. Yeesh. Hero took no damage. Oh, wow. Oh man, this fight is pretty tough. But don't worry, we can do this if we work together. Then why did you pull us out of the fight? Looks like I'm gonna have to teach you all a bit about teamwork. Let's try again, OMORI. We'll get him this time. Did we lose? You notice anything different, OMORI? You should see a new bar at the bottom of the screen with a number at the side. This is our collective energy. By using our energy, we can defeat the this foe together. Just attack and you'll see. Okay, we'll just do an all-around attack, buddy. OMORI reaches forward. Oh, wow. Okay. What am I doing? Did you see the bubbles that popped up as we attacked? That's called a follow-up. After you attack, for a limited time, you can use energy to perform a follow-up move. Just press any direction arrow and see what happens. Oh, sweet. Okay, which routes did you play? Almost every except one. Did you get the true ending too? I forgot to do the thingy. You have to do it on the run when I wanted to get the true one. Nope, you didn't lose. Okay, gotcha. Alright. How many endings are there, like, all together? I don't let Kel pass the ball to OMORI when OMORI is on 1 HP. Don't let Kel pass the ball to... Okay, interesting. I'll keep it in mind. Okay, attack again. Like, there's 7 endings. Holy shit. Oof, man. This guy is really tough. When he attacked us, did you notice that our energy went up? When we take damage, we also gain energy. I think this is a chance to make a comeback. 7 ways to end the game. Interesting. Okay. Okay, attack again. Okay. But some lead to the same ending. Oh, okay. Nice, we're full of energy. It's the perfect time to use our special attack. OMORI, after you attack, press down to release energy. Hope you're all ready. Come on, everyone. Let's show this big guy what we're made of. Hell yeah. Violence for the children. Oh, that's cool. I love that. It's adorable. Hell yeah, we did the ultimate move. I was victorious. You gained 150 EXP. Gained 50 crowds. Oriented 3. And learned stab. I have the ability to stab a bitch now. And there you have it. Hero Battle Tutorial 101. And I'm sure that fight was more battles. Our teamwork will improve over time. Wow, you guys. That was so amazing. Oh, that was nothing. I take it down way bigger guys than that. I should teach you some of my skills one of these days. Basil, I know you're not the type that likes to fight, but it's good to know it's good to know how to defend yourself too. You know, I've actually been working on a book all about battles. Maybe we can study together next time. Leads to say if you have, but you have like a neutral one, which is one that leads to the bad one, and the good one. If you do the thingy, you get the true one. Stab is my favorite move. Also, look when they do their ultimate move. Omori is smiling. Aww! Omori, you gotta smile more, buddy. I'll give it to Omori to hold on for now. As we get stronger, I'll be updating the follow-up section of the self-help guide, so be sure to check it out every now and then. Omori, you should know, when we gain XP and level up, sometimes we'll also learn new skills. I know how to stab a bitch now. Skills are powerful and have a wide range of effects, but each of us can only remember up to 4 skills at a time. After you learn a new skill, don't forget to equip it from the player menu, okay? Yeah, we know. Can we go to Basil's house now? Okay, that's all I had to say. Patience, Kel. Cool. I need to go back to the beginning to get the other ending. Oh god, what? What? Oh, it's a shoe. He lives in a shoe house. Oh, what's up? Say cheese! Ah, shit. No, dude, I think I blinked. Aw, it came out kind of blurry. Well, that's okay. It gives it character. Hope you don't mind the photo. Of course we don't mind. I want to see it. Oh, sure thing. We all look so cute. How's my hair? I want to see! I am also here. Omori. Oh, hey Omori, did you want to look at the photo too? It is very blurry. It's too bad it came out kind of blurry, but you all still look so cute. Oh! Ah, Chocolate Cat 60, thanks for the follow! Appreciate. I started, but I'm not. The Hanaki route? I don't know, we'll have to see. Okay, that one is scary as fuck, so good luck. Calling it scary. Interesting. I don't know. I know, I mean, I played through, like, fucking Undertale and stuff. I know that looks can be deceiving, but also, like, this really, it isn't screaming scary to me quite yet. I mean, I have a knife, which I mean is, uh-oh, but it's not exactly the most terrifying thing I've ever played so far. It's in the photo album. Just wait. Oh, thanks. Alright. Another shot for the photo album. Move over, Aubrey. I can't see. Hey, stop pushing! You already had your turn! Get out of my way, Kel! Oh, stop it. You guys are knocking me over. Oh, he fell. Whoopsie. Oh my gosh. Basil, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Is that okay, Basil? You two are in big trouble now. This is why both of you need to learn to get along. I'm sorry, we didn't mean it, Hero. Please don't tell Mari. It's okay, don't worry about it. Accidents happen. Yes, pick up the little things. Poor Basil. Yeah, come on, Basil. Grow a spine, Basil. What the hell? I'm just kidding. He's fine. Here's your phone. It doesn't look like any of them got damaged. Let's put them back in your photo album together. Thank you, Hero. Oh, they're sweet. Let's go inside my house first. Remember to wipe your feet before you come in. Cool. No, we're not doing that, actually. We're gonna go and save again. Where are you? God damn it! I guess I won't save then. Photo album time! Hell yeah. Basil's photo album. Those precious things and belongings. Yep. Ready to put back the photos, OMORI? Sure. Also, trauma time. What do you mean trauma time? It's a photo album. I've already seen a photo album. No trauma. Oh no. Darn. I don't think I remember the order of all these photos. Don't worry about a thing, Basil. OMORI has a really good memory, so I'm sure we'll figure it out in no time. Why does OMORI have a really good memory? Okay. Let's see here. So, I don't have a good memory because I originally went through the photo album in reverse on accident. Jeez. Alright, I don't know, this can go here. Damn it. Think then it was this? Wait, how am I? Oh. This? Followed by this? Watch me get this, like, so wrong. Yes? Yes? Maybe? It'll show you. Okay? There, good as new. I was right? Hell yeah. I'm really sorry for pushing you over, Basil, even though at least half of it was Kel's fault. Yeah, I promised never to fight with Aubrey ever again until she starts first. Don't worry about it. I know you only wanted to see my photo album. Thanks for helping me put it back together. Fofo. Well, get ready. What do you mean, get ready? That's strange. Photo must have been loose. Huh? What's this? Did I take this photo? Something about it seems so familiar. Time for PTSD. Oh. Guys? Y'all. No. This can't be. Mari, she's... What the fuck? Hello? But what the fuck was that? Meow? Not much to do around here, is there? Boot up your laptop. What would you like to do? Stare at the screen. You'd be like that. What would you like to do? Open your journal. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. I do hear a heartbeat in my brain, though, that I don't love. The heat from the laptop warmed your lap. It felt nice. Okay, well, sure, let's look at the free textbook again. Alright. Okay. Where's my clues? Don't open your menu. Do I remember how to open my menu? Spoilers. I mean, if there's something cool I can see, I will always appreciate it, but I don't see anything in menu. Oh, it just says stab. Stab who? What the fuck? Oh. That's unfortunate. Well, game over, guys. Sorry. Look at all of us. These are all of our memories together. There's a little sad now. I'm still confused. But they should be happy that they happened at all. And let's make some new memories together, okay? I don't like that soundscaping. You see a boy sleeping in his room. What's his name? Oh! You'll understand later, don't worry. Okay, what is his name? Good question. Well, Sunny's a little bit of a lame name. Get me... Can I call him Omori? Am I gonna... Is it gonna do some gaster shit if I call him Omori? Can I... Sunny, please! That's just the default name! Why can't I call it? Can I call him Omori? Would it change anything? Well, yep. It would change something if I called him or Omori. I like secrets. No problem. No? So, the name really doesn't mean anything, does it? We can call him Sunny then. I don't mind that. But it has to be caps lock. I will accept nothing else. Where's the fucking Y? It wouldn't work? Oh, okay. The boy's name is Sunny. It is now, I guess. Oh, well, too late! Have I already just forgotten the name, what Omori looks like, or does he look like Omori? Okay. Hey, Sunny, it's Mommy. I'm still in the city setting up things for our new home. Did you finish packing yet? The movers are gonna be at our house in a few days, so I left a list of things for you to do before they arrive. Also, sorry, Mommy messed up. Forgot to tell the electric company that we needed a few extra days before we're ready to move, so the lights might cut out sometime tonight. Anyway, I know moving to a new place can be a little nerve-wracking right now, but this is a chance to change of scenery will be positive for the both of us. I know you haven't talked to anyone for a while, but you might want to say goodbye to your old friends before we leave. Trauma demon. Okay, so wait. Okay. The canon name. Canon. Alright. Awake. Yep. Trauma. Yep. Trauma demon. Open the door. We haven't gotten that far yet. Please. Kel's been trying really hard to get a hold of you ever since we put our house up for sale. He's been calling us every week for the past few months. He seems a little lonely. Maybe you should pay him a visit. Okay, that's it for now. Mommy loves you. Bye, honey. It's an Easter egg. Psst, bzzzt. Okay. You are hungry. Dude, honestly, kinda. A wardrobe. Let's see. Yep. Bunch of books. An old computer. Anything in the box? To-do list. You don't feel like doing your chores right now. Oh. Okay, I get it. Plant. Afterwards. Nothing special about it. I think that this plant is special. Hi, Sunny. So you don't for Mommy. I left some food in the fridge for you downstairs. It's steak, your favorite. Love you, XOXO. Just table lamp. Alright. Save in the room on the left. So, wait. You go to the middle. Save menu? I would like a save menu, please. Room on the left. Where is my save? Oh, here we go. Thank God. Yes, please. Please save. Oh! Sunny's got color in his cheeks. Alright. It's so fucking dark. Wait. Oh, I just got question marks. Alright. Ow. Sunny, this is Mo from my brush your teeth every day. Love you, XOXO. My mom's a little bit of a... Oh, hey, it's me. I sure do have a face, don't I? Bathtub. Toilet. Now bathroom. Okay. Some towels and toiletries. Do I have to be looking at the mirror for longer? Do I have to just keep looking at myself for X amount of time? I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to be seeing. Just leave? Okay. Fair enough. Yeah. If you're what the fuck value, like Undertale's, there's a specific number, you get some specific Easter eggs. Oh, no, no, no. Wait, did I go down the stairs? Some family photos, okay. You don't want to look down. What? Why not? You feel dizzy. Maybe you can sleep it off. Alright. I guess we're going back to bed, baby. You're still hungry, aren't you? Is it slightly brighter in here? Yeah, no, you hungry. What the fuck? Hello? I'm strangely drawn to it, huh? Okay. Okay, that's locked. That's a long-ass stairway. I wonder what this represents. Come on, dude. It's fine. We're gonna get some steak. Get some steak in our stomach. We'll be fine. You know what you need? A knife! Get ready for what? What the fuck is that? That's somebody's hand right there. Get the hell out of here. I don't need your hand. I don't need a hand. You don't want to know what this represents. Not yet. What did I looked away from the screen for too long to read the comments. Let me look at the replay. Instant replay? Oh, it just grabbed me. What will Sunny do? I'm afraid. Fight or run? Why don't I just run? Can't I run? I think this is a little bit out of our you know, our out of our, you know, our pay range. Can we just run, skedaddle? I can't run. Yeah, it's something, that's for sure. Skill? No, I don't have any skills. I don't think I've got a whole lot of choice here. Buddy! Sunny? Something taunts Sunny and he fails. I don't think I've got much of a choice here.
Take a deep breath. Don't be afraid. It's not as scary as you think. You steady yourself and remember how to calm down.
Aha! These songs are bangers and sped up by 500. Hell yeah!
Remember, Sonny, all you need to do is calm down.
Oh, here we go. Skill, got it. I've gotcha. Skill, Sonny calms down, recovers 40 HP. Don't worry, I got it in the end. I got it in the end. It was close, but I got it in the end. Got a first aid kit. Well, I don't know, use that shit. Equip. Sonny, you can get... I don't know how to... I'm getting my... first aid kit. Yeah, no. It heals too much. Alright. You and your ordinary house plants, man. What? You're shaking your head? What's in there? Talk to me, Sonny. Go to the next table. This? It's an Easter egg. If I just go up the stairs again. Oh, I'm hungry. Huh? To the wall. Trauma room. What table? Next to the table. There's nothing here. It says it's nothing there. I don't know what to tell you, man. Ain't nothing there. Yep, nothing there. Nail stuck between the bed. You'll know later. Okay, great, thanks. There used to be something here. Okay. Okay. Oh, cool. Hi, Sonny. There's a note from Mommy. If you leave the house, remember to look both ways before crossing the street. Love you, XOXO. More boxes. They're everywhere. You got a bandage. Cool. Again, trauma room. Got a knife. You should do the dishes, bro. Can't just leave those, you know, unattended to. No. Look in the fridge and find cold steak. Yeah, hell yeah. Cold steak. You should probably heat it up before you eat it. No, we'll eat it raw. Need to be at least a minute 30, man. That was not long enough. Sure. I'm hungry. It's probably really cold steak. That was barely any time to heat that shit up. Microwave won't work. This is hallucination. Oof. Your stomach didn't agree with that. Because it's cold ass steak. I don't like this. Let's go in the fireplace. Alright, let's go outside. Oh, okay. What do I know? Just not heated up at all. We'll take a nappy. Let's take a nappy nap. You feel sick. Okay, go and throw up in the bathroom. My buddy. I don't know. Get it out of your system. I would have told you to, like, I don't know. Let's look at ourselves in the mirror. Sup? Sit in the bathtub. I don't know. Puke. I was right! You threw up. Yep. Mommy, I flew up. I looked in the mirror. Somewhere. Buddy. You don't need to be banging on my door. It's unnecessary. Okay, it's not there. Hey, Sonny, it's Mari. I'm finally back home, but I forgot my keys. Can you open the door for me? Yeah, sure. I don't know why this wouldn't be, I don't know why this wouldn't be, you know, great. What would you like to do? Open the door, do nothing. Open the door. I was also going to open the door, I'll be honest. I should have saved. Hello? Mari? Haha! Oh, that one got me. That one got me. Alright, I'm gonna save first. Because I've gone too long with that. Oh, what the fuck? Not cool, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Sitting on the bed. Oh. We love that for us. Mirror, mirror, I saw it. She's everywhere. She won't leave. We should just take a nap. A very comfortable bed. Would you like to go to sleep? Yeah. Oh, well, fuck this. Fuck this, bro. Fuck this, bro. Did anyone... No one even commented about the save room. She was just hanging out in there. Hell, Mari. Yeah, straight from hell. Straight from hell, Mari. I probably should have tagged this stream as a scary game. I forgot. Welcome to White Space. We're back in White Space. Ugh. Am I OMORI again? I am! Well. Kitty cat. Okay, bye. We are experienced players. Yeah. Leaving. Okay, yeah, thanks for stopping in. Appreciated it. A whole lot. Thanks again, Red Jester. I appreciate the follow and appreciate you stopping in for OMORI. I'll probably be streaming this semi-frequently. So hope to see you get another one. Okay. 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 I'm mostly looking if there's anything new. Oh, there is something new. We love that. Alright, well actually I've realized that I've run out of time for this stream, unfortunately. Thanks for everybody who stopped in. Thank you Chocolate Cat 60, I really appreciated it. Thanks again for coming to the stream of Omori. I usually can stream about 2 hours or so of each game in a day. And if you want to check out the VOD later, it'll be uploaded on both my both my Twitch and my YouTube. But yeah, thanks again for stopping in, coming by, really appreciated it. Hope to see you in the next stream. Bye!